Hi, I'm Bodie Pendis, and today I'm going to share with you 15 woodworking tools under $15. So this is one of our three I have about tools. I have another video called Tools I Didn't Know I Needed to Become a Woodworker, and the other one is Gift Ideas for the Woodworker. So be sure to check these out as well. So I'm going to go fast, so let's get going. The Joint Book. This is one about joinery. If you're new into woodworking or even a long-time woodworker, all sorts of joints are in here. You can get this for 12 bucks on Amazon. Everything that I'm showing you here today, I'll have links below for you. A flush cut saw. You do dowel joinery, you do pocket holes, you do fill in the pocket holes. You need a flush cut saw to be able to do that. Corner clamps. You make boxes, you make frames, anything with four corners or two pieces joined together, you can have these. Those are great. They're about 15 bucks. Dowels. You need to get 100 of dowels for 8 or 9 bucks. This is super cheap. These are the internal type because they're fluted. Earplugs. You need earplugs to protect yourself. $8. You can get more expensive if you like, but these will do the trick. Dow points. If you're making any sort of dowel joinery and you need to match up the dowel side and don't have a dowel jig, this dowel point will be perfect for making those matching holes. A brush. We make so much dust you always got to brush stuff off. You can get this for $5 or $6. Brad point bits. When you have to make precise drilling of holes exactly where you want it, you need to have these brad point bits that stick right into the wood and don't migrate as you're drilling. A plug cutter. So if you want any custom dowels and you want to have dowels out of walnut or out of oak or any of your custom wood, you need a plug cutter. You can get this 14 bucks. It's great. 1, 2, 3 blocks. These are my favorite measurement tools. Anything that's 1, 2, 3 up to 6 inches, because this measurement is 1 inch here, 2 inches there, 3 inches there. Very precise, precision milled. Card scrapers. Card scrapers are actually ideal for being able to remove burn marks or get a surface smooth for a panel or something. It's a heavier duty than sandpaper, but not quite as thick as a plane. These are a lifesaver and a time saver. These two items are something you'll find is extremely useful. A glue bot, to be able to put glue on the surface in a vertical fashion. So you squeeze this and it comes out the top. This is only 8 or 9 bucks. And then a glue brush and a glue paste to be able to spread the glue. Rather than get it all on your fingers and then grab your piece and get it all over your piece, use a glue brush. It's a lot cleaner for your wood projects. And clamps. You can never have enough clamps. You can get these for 7, 8, 9, up to $15. These are small, they're useful, and you can never have enough of them. If you're talking about tape measures, these all look identical. But if you're doing woodworking, what you really want to get is a tape measure that is marked in 1/8 of an inch. So this is a nice $8 or $9 measuring tape. And when you're measuring exact measurements, this is a superb way to do it. So if you enjoyed our tools, 15 tools under $15, be sure and give me a thumbs up. Be sure and check out our links below if you're interested in any of these. And be sure and come back and see us real soon.